Hey man, say man, the drop has finally come. It's crazy, bro. When I recorded that video yesterday, I did not know the date or the time. I knew it was happening either today or on Friday, but I didn't know solidly until like literally maybe 30 minutes after I dropped the video that they were gonna drop today at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you must either read the title or you didn't see the thumbnail. The Air Jordan 12 Cherries, one of the most anticipated releases of 2023, have finally dropped via Nike sneakers app on a shock drop, man. Like, who don't love shock drops? But at this point, I'm thinking everybody's starting to love what Nike's doing, dropping a bunch of pairs before the release date, kind of seeing what the, you know what I'm saying, how people feeling about sneakers. They're letting all them pairs go. It's an early sneaker. People gonna eat it up, and I'm actually loving what Nike's doing, man. Your boy ain't gotta pay crazy price for no pairs no early no more, bro. Get it for retail, and of course, I can't believe I haven't told y'all, but your boy got 'em today on the Nike sneakers app. And I kind of want to come on here today and see who all hit on the Nike sneakers app for these Air Jordan 12 Cherries as well. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it, bro. Y'all see that purchase down there. Air Jordan 12 Cherries, man. When I seen it, actually, man, this is my little trick, and I might be hurting myself. I'm going to let you guys know what I do, man. I literally go onto the app the time that it does drop, and I, you know what I'm saying, enter my size, enter the shoe, and I don't clear off where it say box or anything like that. I literally just get off of the app. I keep it open, you know what I'm saying, in the background. Next thing you know, bruh, your boy gets a W on these shock drops. Like, I don't remember the last time I took an L on the shock drop. So you guys kind of use that tip if you want to, and I don't be on Wi-Fi. I usually be at work, enter for the shoe, get my size, and I get that order confirmed. So it's always super dope to get that order confirmed, get that got 'em on the early pair of sneakers that you've been anticipating so long, bro. Like, your boy is super ecstatic, bro. Super excited about these Air Jordan 12 Cherries. This made me pull out the Air Jordan 12 Flu game today. It actually been sitting behind me for a while. I don't know if you guys peeped, but these were a pair of Air Jordan 12s that I really wanted. Had these back in the day, but I had the suede pair with the little sick emoji on the side and stuff like that. But you know, a couple years back, or a couple years later, from the time I had the suede pair, we got these Flu games. I think in 2016, if I'm not mistaken. Your boy was sitting in line for hours for these things. Had to have them. Air Jordan 12s growing up was like one of the top sneakers. Like Air Jordan 1s now, I feel like Air Jordan 12s and 11s was like the pivotal, the top of Jordan line back in, you know what I'm saying, my middle school, high school day ages, man. That's what I'm thinking. You guys let me know how you feel about that. That was about, what, 15 years ago. So y'all let me know what y'all think. The hype of, you know what I'm saying, the silhouettes as far as Jordan. Now I feel like it's Jordan 1s, Jordan 4s. Back in the day, I feel like it was 11s and 12s, bro. Everybody in the hood wanted them, man. So yeah, man, go ahead and comment down below if you did secure a W on the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, bro. Like I said, it was a lot of dubs going out. They said it was roughly 160 something thousand pairs. That seems like a lot. Like, I don't know if that's too for certain. We haven't got the official, you know what I'm saying, breakdown of the numbers yet, but they are saying it was roughly 160,000 pairs spread out in the US. That kind of sounds right, because I noticed a mass-produced Air Jordan sneaker that they're giving us for this, you know what I'm saying, holiday time frame. You know what I'm saying, we're getting a little bit before Halloween or right after, one of the two. But I say all that to say that it's a full family size run. They're making mad pairs. They know they're gonna sell them, and if they sold 160-something thousand pairs a day, you're probably looking at another, like, what, 300-some thousand on the drop day. And I don't even think that's including pairs that's, you know what I'm saying, at Foot Lockers, you know, Champs, Jimmy Jazz. It's a bunch of pairs of these cherries. It's gonna be for everybody. So do not pay resale yet. We all have a second chance to cop these things. And then speaking of, you know what I'm saying, resale, every time we get a crazy shock drop or a drop in general, you know, StockX, you know, GOAT, they're gonna hit you up with a notification talking about whatever just dropped. And you can kind of see where the market is kind of going for them, seeing how, you know what I'm saying, people selling them, seeing how many people buying them, all that good stuff. Just kind of gauge the market. And then putting up on StockX right now is probably, yeah, the one of the most hyped sneakers, the most popular sneakers on StockX. Pairs is going for around $300 consistently. So go ahead and go over to StockX. You click on sizes. They are all roughly going for around, you know what I'm saying, that 300, 280 price range. Like I said, these don't release until October. Hold on, focus. There we go. These don't release until, I believe, in about 2 weeks. Let me check real quick. I know I'm rambling. These drop on the 28th of October. So we have a couple of weeks, maybe. I'm doing my math right. You know what I'm saying? I'm stuck in math. But a couple of weeks, $300 right now. You're looking at right around about $220, $230 a day to drop. But it's going to be mad pairs. Do not pay resale yet. I'm telling you, you can count on it. If you put your footwork in, you know what I'm saying, you put in them raffles, you actually try to get in the pair, you ain't trying to lollygag around it, you should end up with a pair for retail on these Air Jordan 12 cherries. No telling when the next time he's gonna drop. That's why I feel like the hype, the anticipation for the sneakers there, because they took forever to bring them back out. So I'm gonna say, if you want them, do not sleep. Put in your footwork, put in your leg work, hit up who you gotta hit up, you feel me? Just so you can get a pair, because no telling when the next time we're gonna see the cherries in our lifetime, man. And then a question I was even asking myself when I came into the sneaker room, I was like, man, I don't even know which one I like more, bruh. Do you guys rock out with the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games or the Air Jordan 12 cherries more? Like, which one are you taking, cherries or these Flu Game things? I think that's probably a discussion I need to have with myself. You know what I'm saying? Come to sneaker room, look at some sneakers and see which one I like more. But the Flu Games is definitely up there, but it's up to you guys. Let me know, you know what I'm saying, which one you rock out with more, cherries or the Flu Games. Go ahead and drop a cherry down below, or, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and drop Flu down there, just so I can see how the Vintage Squad is feeling about these Air Jordan 12 colorways. And then one more time, bro, I just kind of wanted to check out these Air Jordan 1 satin breads. I will be doing a full review and on feet, dropping for you guys tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that by subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification bell for your boys so you do not miss out on it. But just know, tomorrow these things will be in full effect, getting a full breakdown, a full on feet, showing you guys how to rock them, how to lace them, how to style them, all that good stuff in the video. So please do not miss out. Definitely gonna be a top 10 pickup for your boy. I didn't think I was gonna be this excited about the sneaker prior to them dropping. Once I got them in hand, bro, I said, man, these things go crazy, bro. I'm glad Nike bringing them back out. And it's just crazy to think that a numbered pair is going for like $10,000, and then you get a pair that ain't numbered. It's a dinner release, it's a women's exclusive, and they're only going for about $250, $260, which I'm loving, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. I really do appreciate it. If you watch right now, leave a huge like, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, and please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content we drop in. Air Jordan 1 satin bread video dropping tomorrow. We got some more early heat coming tomorrow. I can't wait to show you guys what we have in store. So you guys keep motivating me by hitting that like button, dropping them comments down below, and just know your boy ain't let up on them outfit shorts over here on YouTube. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Love you guys. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.